How to buy Solana meme coins on Phantom Wallet. In order to do this, you first need to launch your Phantom Wallet mobile application. Now, once you do this, on the home page, you will be able to see this swap option. So you just have to tap on the swap option, and by default, the Solana will be selected over here, and you will also be able to see your current available Solana balance. Now here, in order to buy Solana based meme coins, you just have to tap on the select token option, and here you need to tap on Solana. Now once you do this, you will be able to see various types of meme coins that are based on the Solana network, like dog with hat, bonk, book of meme, etc. So here you just have to select any of the tokens that you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy a dog with hat meme coin. So after selecting it, you just have to tap on the swap button, but before that you just have to enter the amount of Solana that you want to spend in order to buy the dog with hat token. Then you just have to tap on the swap button, and this way you will be able to buy Solana based meme coins on Phantom Wallet. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.